on. Hey guys, I just woke up to play this new Subway Surfers update, and let's check it out. Welcome. They give me the email. Alright. And we do not talk about why I'm broke. Yeah, we do not talk about that. I got it. Chill. What are you actually getting? There's always something at 10. It's like a seal. Okay. 20. What do we got in 20? Pink. Okay. I don't remember her. I know her. Okay, so she's gonna be for the hunting. The Okay. Yeah, we already know. So, I forgot the new board. Well, the first, let's see this. The first one, Floris Lava. You wanna get her with Floris Lava? Ozzy, New Orleans, the season challenge, the one that there's a timer, yeah. The 1 run challenge. I thought it was gonna be the frame, but it's for that. Stay tuned. Tag time. Let me see, because they always change their characters. Or if I put enter, we will see. All doing a button. We're not seeing that until we're done. Oh, forgot. Why do I have to stop? This is some characters. Back to school challenge. Oh, hell yeah. That's probably gonna be the Pam invasion. Yeah. Now let's go to shop to see everything. Pin. So her name is Pin. Okay. A super jump and new dip. Alright. Okay. Drift. Drift. They're all alright. How do you get her? Oh, I forgot the hunting thing. Nothing. I don't even know how to get him. The brass room. What does this do? Oh. Alright. Pretty neat board. Pretty neat. Oh no. Subway Surfers, stop making me wanna buy stuff. Like, the poetry, that cost me a lot. I want that one now. My sister's definitely gonna want that. This time. Okay. Yeah. These are for like the ones that you get like that. So she did this much. Pink is there. Yellow just like those. Jay is finally back. See, Jay's back. May. Yeah, May. I knew it. Eddie was gonna be here. Not you. Electra. Oh! The fluid break. So going around but not. I knew Eddie was gonna be here. Like, if they didn't bring Eddie back, that would be a huge mistake. So, first one, World Tour Crew. Okay, so they got them. Alright. Jazzy Jam, where, my guy, you know, I was just saying his name and I forgot his name. What's his name again? Eddie, yeah, Eddie. Bro, how do I forget? Don't call me an older grandpa in the chat. Dang. 150 for them too? Fine. I'll try to get them. What about the ones that you have to get ads from? What about those? Take a flight. Dang. Oh, I think they're at the store. Let me check. Yeah, why are they here? Error, check for settings. What the heck? Oh man. Well, there's none of those. But wait, we got that. Oh, it's just like that, this, and this. Well, I think that's done for the video. So yeah, would you mind leaving a like? I woke up early in the morning just so I can show you guys this update. Well, that's it, and that's the whole video. See you in the next one. Peace.